Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ronita. Let's make egg kushka biryani today. It's a super quick and easy recipe. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference. So let's get started. Wash rice 2 to 3 times and soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash eggs well, boil them for 5 to 7 minutes and keep them ready. You can either use a pressure cooker or a regular non-stick ware. Add some ghee to the preheated pan and add all the spices: cinnamon sticks, star anise seeds, some cloves and bay leaves. Make sure that the flame is low to medium. Give it a mix and add finely chopped garlic and ginger. You can also add ginger garlic paste instead. Add green chillies, roughly chopped onions and fry them until translucent. Add roughly chopped tomatoes, once they soften, add finely chopped mint and coriander leaves. Add yogurt. You can also add fresh curd instead. Add salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder and biryani masala powder. Combine everything well and at last add soaked rice. Stir well and fry for a minute and add lime juice. At last add boiling water. Also add the boiled eggs and cook it covered for not more than 10 minutes. Also make sure that the flame stays low to medium throughout the cooking process. Keep checking for the water to dry out, and once it is dried, your kushka biryani is ready to serve. You can serve it immediately with raita. Click the card above to watch how to make quick and easy raita. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Links to all my social medias are provided in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.